I'm so excited today to talk about the nervous system and how it works. We got a great question from my nephew Jacob, who is 10 years old. So we're going to attempt to simply break it down so you can better understand it. So imagine yourself as almost like a giant electrical plant. When you turn on a light switch in your house, what happens? The light switch magically turns on. And when you turn off that light switch, what happens? Obviously, the lights go off. While that might sound like it's really easy to do, there's a lot of work that's going on in that electrical plant that makes it look really easy for you to turn it on and off that light switch. So thinking about that, let's discuss what the nervous system is. The nervous system is highly complex and it helps to coordinate your entire body by sending signals to and from different parts of your body to make things work. It's made up of neurons, and neurons are basically like very tiny messengers that live in our brains that use electricity and chemicals to send information to different areas of your brain and then between your brain and the rest of your body. At the beginning of this, there is a presynaptic neuron, which is a cell that sends the information. Pre means before, always remember that. And then there's a postsynaptic neuron in the cell, and that receives the information, post meaning after. So that postsynaptic neuron is a nerve cell that receives the neurotransmitter, and a neurotransmitter is like a messenger that sends signals to the place where you want them to go. After it has crossed the synapse, and a synapse is like the space between two cells where they can pass messages to communicate. And a single neuron may contain thousands of synapses, so it's a really, really big process. Then action potential might occur if the neurotransmitter is strong enough. And action potential is like an explosion of electrical activity that's created that helps make this whole process happen. And when a neuron is not sending any signals, that means that's at resting potential until you send a signal to it again. So cells that carry these messages to and from the brain and your spinal cord, which runs along your back, and out to various parts of your body. So let's say you want to change the channel because your brother is watching something and you don't want to watch it, you want to watch a cartoon instead. So you grab that remote control. So what's happening is your brain is sending a signal to your hand that allows you to use your thumb and the muscles in your hand to change that channel. Pretty cool, huh? Here's another example. Remember when you stepped on a pile of your brother's Legos and screamed because your foot hurt? Well, that's your nervous system that's telling you that your foot hurts and removing your foot immediately from those Legos. At the same time, your nerves sent a pain signal to your brain, and that's why you felt that pain in your foot. And hopefully your brain remembers not to step on those Legos again in the future. Well, Jacob, I hope this helped you better understand your nervous system and how it works. And I will talk to you later, and I love you. And Jacob is a real person. Okay, bye.